Being participation is not what it seems at first glance. It's much deeper than that, because being is always connected to beingness, to unity. In unity there is no fear. Fear comes from taking yourself separately. As soon as you are separate, you have to be afraid of me, and I have to be afraid of you. Separation comes as a result of using the mind outwardly, disconnected from the light of consciousness, disconnected from the source. Mind is in the dark and does not see, so it only works with concepts, constantly churning them around. To become free from that chattering of the mind, we need to be connected to the taste of our existence. The heart plays a big part here, because heart is our intimate connection to the source. Love is the emanation or manifestation of the heart. At the same time, it is the heart, because in that realm, nothing exists but love. Love is uncaused. There is no cause for it. It exists. Its existence is independent of conditions. So with that love, you can't love one thing and not love another. It's love of the totality. How to work with the way of the heart? Is it given by existence, or do we have to participate in it? If it is only given, and we don't have to worry about it, then the purpose of being a man on the earth disappears. Why do we have this body? Why do we have this form? Why have we come to this planet with all the difficulties our identification causes? And if it is important to have this form, why is it so temporary? 70, 80 years is like the blink of an eye in relation to existence as a whole. To make sense of this, we need to see that there are laws we have to understand about the creation and maintenance of the universe. We have to study, but not the way we're used to studying. How many things have you learned about that your mind thinks are good, yet you cannot do them?